Okay, hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another big job here. I'm replacing a fuel line on my 97 Dodge Dakota because I drove this truck leaking in this area here where the tank is going to the supply line. So it's not good. I drove it dripping on the road. So I found out the pressure line leaking. So here's the old pressure line, took it out. That's very rusty here. This is the one that leaking here somewhere, and this is the going to the vacuum. Here's the replacing it with the nickel, called this copper nickel line. Look at that, that's new one. So I changed it with the copper nickel because this one won't rust. So I follow the configuration of this, the way it wrote. So that goes from the to the engine side. Whew, it's chilly out here. Getting winter. So that's the nozzle going to the engine. That's my brand new nickel copper. So what I did is I made a fitting here. I grabbed some fitting at the store right here. I flare it, double flare and bubble flare. I cut the old one here. I used this is still steel. This one's copper nickel. So I put the center nut there, so that anytime this one will break, you can take this off and replace this with a copper nickel. But for now, I'm gonna use this still because if I'm gonna use a copper nickel, I need to modify this thing. I need to replace this one too. Yes. There's a special kind of fitting in this plastic quick connect going to this nozzle. So around here it's kind of tricky to put it back. Make sure you tape the end so that no dirt will go into the inside of the line. So that goes to the fuel tank. Alright, now I'm gonna mount this thing and connect that copper nickel to the pressure hose there, supply hose. Okay, so what I did here in the supply, because that's a rubber, show you what I did here is just tilt the box so that you can access the fuel tank right here. Here, that's the fuel line there. That's the line, the supply line. So I see this plastic. So this is the line goes to that thing. See that? So it's a quick connect. Supposed to be this one will come out too, but when you pull this out, this one will left here because of this tab. See the tab there? It's like an arrow. This one will put you can put it back. So you need this line. So what I did is I just got it here because it's leaking. So at the other end I put I bought a fitting here. It's another quick connect. Look at this. This is a new one. This is the new one. So I clamp it here. It's a quick connect fitting. And at the end of the copper nickel here I put a adapter, because the line of copper nickel is 3/16 and this one is 5/16. So I need an adapter 5/16 right there. So I'm gonna put a tape, just acetylene weld here, right there. No clamping, it's just a solid weld kind of stuff. And now you can quick connect this line. See that line? There's a neck on that. Same thing as the quick connect female. You can put this female. I mean, you can put this female quick connect in that thing. See, that goes in there. Anytime it breaks down, you can take this off and replace. But this one won't gonna rust anymore because that's a copper nickel. And this one's not a copper nickel, but steel. Now I put a anti-seize, no, not anti-seize, anti-rust. I mean, anti-rust. Spray this one area too of anti-rust, so that's good. So we're just gonna connect it together. Okay, I rewrote the line here. Nice. So we're gonna put this fitting here. We're doing this job. We are eye protection. This is very dangerous. And make sure you have a fire extinguisher, especially when you're taking this off from the vehicle, this line, eh? So be careful. Disconnect the fuses or relay when you're doing a fuel line. Okay, let's get this hooked up. There's a special nut here, something. This is the quick connect on this side. I'm gonna put this one in the fitting here. Put a lubricant first so it'll easy to slide in. There. So it's just only snap there. Get the 40 to snap it good. So make sure you snap it good. So this thing, see this hose, this fitting, this like kind of O-ring rubber inside to seal the cylinder of this male fitting. And this clip, there's two notches here. That's the only one holding. Just snap one clip and it's good. Make sure there's no dust. Make sure this is nice and clean. So okay, connect it together right there. And when you take this off, just squeeze this and pull that. See? But before we proceed, you have to make sure you're gonna blow this line first. Just showing you how to connect it. We're gonna blow this line first from here and going to the rear, whatever works. Just to make sure there's no dirt inside. Okay, just gonna blow that. Okay, to make sure there's no dirt inside, we're gonna blow the line from the front side and to this area here, to the rear side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a tape here so that you will know there's an air coming out here. I'm gonna put a tape here, and I'm gonna blow the front side of the line, and I'm gonna see if the tape coming out in this, so that will you know that there's air coming out of the system. Okay, I'm gonna put tape here just to show you. You can do it also if you need another guy to to see in this area, but I'm just doing it myself. So I just want to make sure the line's not plugged during welding this. So I'm gonna blow the front side right now. Okay, that's good. The tape went out, so it means it's good. Nothing dirt in there. So gonna put it together. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. Just using my one hand so that you can see. My other hand is holding the camera. one click. Right there. There. That snap. Looks good. I'm trying to pull this out. Can't pull it anymore. So it's good, ready to go. I'm gonna connect the rear side too. Okay. Connect this side. There you go. Snaps. Connect this one to the main fuel pump. It's supposed to go underneath here. I don't want to break the line. Right there. That's nice there. Okay. Now we're gonna slide this thing. I'm gonna lift the box a little bit. Okay. There you go. Clicks good. Good. Now we're gonna connect. Forget to connect this plug here. But first we're gonna blow that and clean that. There's some dust in there. Good. Now I can plug this in. Okay, put a lube a little bit. There you go. Clicks. There you go. Good job. I'm gonna put the vacuum line. So we're gonna this line here. Put on your brand new line for the vacuum. So we're gonna put this on. Going to the canister. So now we're gonna slide this line. Vacuum line going to canister. 316 will fit in this pretty good. Make sure no dirt. Right there, that's good enough. That's good enough there. Like 1 inches until here. So that's good. It won't gonna blow up. Just only a vacuum, so there's no much pressure there. This is the pressure thing there. So you have to make sure that's tight and secure, because it's a dangerous thing. So around here, we're gonna put the other line going to the canister. This is the canister. That's the one that sucked up all the fumes, filter all the fumes. Okay, I'm gonna connect this in together and you're good to go. Fire this up. We'll see. Yeah, that's very nice. Nice, good job. Now we're gonna secure this line here before we start this vehicle. I'm gonna secure it with a clip so that it will not move while driving it for safety. That's good. That's a new line. Nice, man, nice. Okay, it's gonna tighten this fitting here. Make sure it's tight, but don't tighten it too much. Turn it by your hand, tighten it by your hand, and then once you tighten it to the wrench, just a half of turn and you're good to go. Because if you tie it too much, you will wreck the line. Okay, just tighten it half of turn, so it's 90 degrees. Need another wrench to hold the other nut. And now you can connect the line going through the throttle. See that line? Make sure there's no dirt. There's no dirt there. That's clean. Just slide it until it gets snug. There you go. It clicks. Once it clicks, you can put this. There's a retainer just for safety, and it's easy. Just clip this one. The one that there's a clip here. There's a zip tie facing to the outside. The one's not. It's the one holds the front one. Lay it down a little bit, right there. That's good enough. Right there. See, it holds your line so that it will avoid pulling it back. That's good. And this one clips here, right there. Goes there. Nice, good job. And you can fire this vehicle. Let's see if there's no leak. Okay, now everything is hooked up. Let's check this. Here is good. Already clamped in. And here, all the lines are tight. So connected to the canister. Now we're gonna ready to put the relay back here, the engine bay. Everything is hooked up. Now we're gonna put the relay for the fuel pump. This is the relay right there. Now I'm gonna hook up the battery here. Let's see. Just tighten it after. Okay. And it's the moment of truth. Start it. Sure there's no leak. Gonna check it here. Rock. Check our line. Oh, so far there's no leak. Okay, so now everything is good, no leaks. So we're gonna put the box on. Everything is secure there. Side. It's a new clip. And there's a clip on that line. That's the fuel line. Everything's clipped. That's good. Secured. Let's pull the box. Let's try to start again. Now I have confidence to drive this truck. So if you have a broken leaking fuel line, bracket this out. Next time, good. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Hope it helps you. I'm ready to rock.